Zero touch Pitbull alarm installation, 1 to 3 and success. We will instruct on each step to ease up the process for installer and customer. Let's start from installer part. The device should be sent to the customer and he should be informed where to mount the device. This video will be separated in two different parts. Customer part of the video, which will be available as separate video to ease up sharing process, and installer part of the video. Let's begin. Instructions for customer.
Customer received the device. What's next? Device unboxing. Let's open up the box. Firstly, we have a manual. Manual includes information about the device and there is quick start wizard. It helps you in the installation process. It will be no headache with it. Secondly, we have a device itself. And lastly, there is the power supply. And we have a mounting screws with the bracket. Let's prepare the device. Open up the case. We have two SIM card slots, primary SIM card slot and the secondary one. We will need the first one. Insert the SIM card to the primary one. Make sure SIM card has a PIN code disabled and calls, SMS, GPS data is enabled on that card. Next, the user has to power up the device. And make sure to connect the backup battery as well. Device mounting can be performed by two ways. Before mounting the device to designated area, please inform installer that the device is powered up and ready to be connected. Now installer will connect remotely to configure the device. Installer may have additional instructions, so be prepared. After configuration is finished, device is ready to be mounted.
Let's mount the device on the wall. Appropriate position should be agreed with an installer before mounting. Don't forget that PIR sensor should not be facing the window, it may cause false alarms. Most importantly, the device should be mounted to its position, which allows the device to have clear vision of the area. Check the manual to ensure perfect mounting position. If room is rectangular, then the corner of the room will be suitable for mounting. Double-sided adhesive tape should be pre-applied. If not, other mounting methods can be used. Surface should be degreased before mounting. It will ensure perfect bonding. Connect the power supply and let's proceed to the device mounting. Mount the device to the wall. Just a quick tip, to make wire almost invisible. It may be easily attached to the wall by applying small pieces of double-sided adhesive tape. It will allow to hold wire in the perfectly straight line. Instructions for installer. Let's connect the device. Call the phone number of the SIM card inserted to the device. System will respond with text message confirming your admin rights. If it is required to set APN, then refer to the link in the comment section. Send an SMS command xxxxstconfig. It will initiate remote connection. Instead of xxxx, you need to provide previously received SMS code. This is how the sending of the message looks, and response should be with the email code. Using utility software, connect to the Pitbull Alarm PRO remotely by entering the email code number. After successful connection, you can start the device configuration remotely. Let's proceed to ELDES Security to inspect more. Let's pick via remote server. And let's write down the email code we have received. Press connect. We are connecting to a remote server. Okay, we have connected remotely. Dashboard section. Inspect if non-system faults are displayed. If any fault is displayed, please read the description, it will help to solve it. If ELDES utility is used for the first time, we could advise to use step-by-step guide. It will allow you to have more information at the first installation. Let's proceed to the user section. According to customer demands, add new users. Phone numbers are necessary to allow customers to disarm system by phone, and user codes for possibility to control system via ELDES Security app. If not altered, default settings will make sure that the phone user gets an SMS notifications about most important system events like arming, disarming, and etc. Device configuration can be protected by changing the installer code. It will ensure no one can access your configuration without knowing the installer code. Zone section. We advise to change zone name to precisely match security location. It is PIR sensor zone, which will cause an alarm if movement is detected in secured location. Cloud services. Enabling cloud services will allow ELDES Security app to control the device. It provides great benefits of tracking system status, temperatures, and possibility to instant disarm the system. More information how to set up ELDES Security in the comments below. Things to remember. Do not forget to write settings after each step, and most importantly at the end of configuration. We advise to save backup configuration file just in case any information will be forgotten later on. It may be used as a reminder for customer if they have any questions. Make sure to update to the newest firmware by sending SMS message photo. And lastly, we have a test of the device. The test procedure is an important part of teaching the customer how to use the system. Instruct customer how to disarm the system using preferred way. Cause an alarm in armed system to show in practice how it will perform during alarm. If received notifications are as expected, then we are almost done. If not, make sure to change configuration to match expected result. Congratulations! It is done. Don't miss the opportunity to present additional devices which may be paired remotely to Pitbull Pro. System may be expanded with the smoke or flood detection to secure property and people. Thank you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked the video and press subscribe button to receive notifications about our new videos.